Hi again. Right, what I've done with the machine now is I've scrubbed it with paraffin or kerosene with a brush, a stiff nylon brush. I can use a toothbrush as well. And basically I've scrubbed all inside with kerosene all over, and then let it soak in. Now I'm going to use gunk, which is a powerful degreaser. And I've been using that for 40 odd years on engines and things like that, things that need a very big deep clean to get rid of grease and oils and things like that. And the thing about this is that it then cleans out the machine perfectly, so I don't have to strip it down. And then what I'm going to do is going to use a steam cleaner to clean it out. Now the thing is that this makes a heck of a noise, so just turn your volume down on this one. What I do is I start from the top and then turn it over and then work underneath. So I'll just get on with it, and then you can see how it's done. What I'm doing is I'm looking for the oil holes and oil channels, and I'm giving those a really good blast and getting those clear, so that they will take oil up better in the future. Cleaning all the gears. So that's cleaning up nicely. Spray it on there. Definitely an outside job. I then spin it round and then do this part of the machine. Turn it a little bit, blast out the oil wells or the oil holes again, if I can find them, all of them. And this is getting rid of all the grit, all the rust, everything. Just simply blast it out. What I'm trying not to do is let the heat build up on it, and as you can see it's dripping out here, filthy, mucky, rusty water. And then what I do is just keep wiping the top off so it doesn't get any build up. I'll just carry on. Just turn over. Just want to get it in there. Turn the machine over from time to time, change position. And I'll start underneath. Oil holes again. I can find them. quickly wipe off all the water. I've done it. And this machine, like I say, is incredibly dirty. One thing you notice is that the machine starts stiffening up because it's now lost any form of oil on it. Right, so I've done the steam. I then go in with the hairdryer. Oh, sorry, there's oil points here need doing. So those are the oil holes blasted out. So now, yeah, if you've got compressed air, go in with compressed air and then go in with the hairdryer. Just stir the heat up. And that's basically it. That's all I'll be doing. Now what I do when I've dried the machine off is I then go in with some kerosene again, just to flush everything through, and then I start the oiling. Now when I oil, the oil will be thin because of the kerosene, so I let that just get round for a few days. Don't start running it. And then I increase the re-oil it so the oil strength comes up to maximum strength. Okay, bye now.